Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. This is our previously created project for child form. In this video, we will display the date and time to a label. Watch till the end for you to learn everything in the video I have created. Thank you. Now let's add labels for a date, time, and for displaying date and time in a single label. Let's add code to our label. So we have created a form load event to load directly our code to the form. Inside of the events is the code to display the date and time to the label's control. This code is to display the date now to a date label. This will be the output of the code. Now for time. This code is to display the time now to a time label. This will be the output of the code. As you observe, the second is not counting. We will fix this by timer. We initialize the timer. Then inside of the form is to the timer interval is equal to 1 second, add timer tick event handler as the form load, and then start the timer. This will be the output of the timer. Now for displaying date and time in a single label. There is simple two way of displaying the date and time to the label. First is the custom format of date and time. Like this code. The format of date and time is days, month space day space year, hours, minutes, and seconds space mpm of time. This will be the output of the code. The second is to add the method of toLongDate string and toLongTime string. Like this code. The code will add the date and time format method separated by space. This will be the output of the code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.